First, choose lavender-colored self-adhesive wallpaper. Second, clean and level the wall surface, ensuring it is free of dust, grease, or unevenness. Third, measure and cut the wallpaper to the required size, according to the dimensions of the wall. Fourth, slowly peel off the backing paper, and stick the wallpaper to the wall, using a scraper to remove air bubbles and wrinkles. Fifth, use a blade to trim along the edges and corners for a neat finish. Follow me for more renovation tips.